What's up guys, in this video I will show you the world's first crypto wallet that has an integrated AI. I'm not a professional advisor, but let's get it on. Alright guys, so this is OMT landing page. Link will be in the description of the video. So first up, what is OMT? It says here, one wallet for all your crypto, swap, send, and store more than 10,000 assets on Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and other blockchain networks as well. So let's go ahead and check out their website and see what are the things that I feel you guys need to know the most about this one. All right, so they are also featured in Bloomberg. You have Morningstar, Street Insider, Yahoo Finance, and other places. So you can go ahead and check that one out. Alright, so this is something that I would like to emphasize because, of course, if we are looking for wallets or a project that we would like to invest in, we want to know the WIFMs or what's in it for me, right? And for OMT guys, OMT is the world's first crypto wallet with integrated AI. And as you can see here, artificial intelligence, our proprietary AI bot is capable of independently analyzing data, searching for better spread, and making trades based on that data. So this is actually, to be honest with you guys, this is the first project that I have checked out that is a wallet and an AI as well, because for the others, they are exchanges and all that. So for this one, 200,000 plus supported tokens. That's a lot, guys. I'm pretty sure that whatever token or whatever crypto token you are investing in, it is available in this wallet as well. So they also focus on an exceptionally high level of security thanks to the proprietary algorithms, making it even safer to store funds in the wallet. And of course, they are a non-custodial wallet, which means that they have no access or whatsoever to all your private information, like how much you have in that, what are your seed phrases, and all those good stuff. All right, and of course, at this stage, guys, we can see that the OMT team is actually achieving all of the set objectives in their roadmap. And you could go ahead and check out this one right here. You have the white paper, and of course you want to make sure that you are also doing your own research before investing in it. So in this white paper, you would be able to check out the summary, the mission, the history, and of course the roadmap that I am talking about. So these are the plans as well as the ones that has been completed already. So as you can see, back in 2021 was when this project started, and then we are already in the Q4 of 2023. Time flew by so fast. All right, so integrated DEX into the wallet, iOS app, and then Honey AI version 2.0 is what they have right now. And what I like the most about this project, guys, is they have the potential to include the nodes already. So for those of you that are investing in nodes and processing and all that, and that's the way you gain income, stay tuned, go ahead and check them out. And of course, make sure guys that you follow all their social media platforms. That will always be updated when they have announcements, giveaways, you have like airdrops and all those good stuff. You will definitely be informed. And make sure to stay at the end of this video for the end screens. I'm sure that all those videos will be beneficial in your crypto journey. If you're new to the channel, I hope you would consider clicking that like, that subscribe, and click that bell. That way you'll always be notified when we upload new videos in the future. I'll see you on the next. I'm out. Peace.